Hi everyone, Christmas safety cover. Today I want to talk about hinges and what a good use for a hinge would be. This particular model is our 1000TLU880M as in Mary. This model typically comes with a completely removable access panel, one on the front and then there's also one in the back. But in this case, this particular enclosure will be installed on a rooftop where there's wind. So in cases like that, we highly recommend adding a hinge so that the door opens more like a traditional door would in your home. And the reason for that is all about safety. So as you can imagine, you have a technician working on the equipment on the inside. In the case of a completely removable access panel, they would take that off and most likely set it aside and continue their work. The only problem with that is if a big gust of wind comes by, it has an opportunity to pick up the removable access panel and have it take off in the wind and potentially hurting someone on the ground or nearby. So don't want that to happen, of course. So we always recommend adding a hinge to the door, again, to open it just like a traditional door would. You can also see here, this is our standard foldable padlockable handle, so those will always be the same from that standpoint. And you can also see that the door is very easy to open, so nice and smooth, and that's due to that strong stainless steel hinge on the inside. So you can also see the locking mechanism that we use on the inside. This is tried and true, very simple design, but it works very well. I'll go ahead and close the door again. You'll also notice that this enclosure is in our Sierra Tan color. We also offer Hartford Green and Slate Gray, and then of course the typical mill finish, the shiny metal finish that you will find on many enclosures. So we also have additional colors available at a little slight additional cost there, but the Sierra Tan, Hartford Green, and Slate Gray are colors that we keep in stock at all times. So again, keep in mind if you're going to install an enclosure on a tall building or in a windy area, think about using a stainless steel hinge so that they don't get away from you and potentially hurt someone. Again, this is Christmas safety cover. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Our number here in Nashville, 615-259-4495. Thanks, talk to you soon.